talk about what the 2025 election could mean for Aussie stocks and your portfolio. So did you know that government spending practically powered our economic growth last year? Well, it looks like no matter who wins this election, economists are saying that spending will stay strong, if not go higher. So that could mean more debt issuance and potentially higher bond yields. And what does that mean for you? Well, more spending could mean inflationary pressures, which mean that the RBA potentially could hold off on cutting interest rates further. Now, on the policy front, Albanese and Dutton are pitching different policies when it comes to energy and housing, but both parties are very focused on the cost of living. But if we end up with a minority government, that might actually slow down policy making. So the things that we were just talking about, energy, housing, and even healthcare, might see a lot of compromises and just take longer than usual, which means that the investment climate could be uncertain and harder to read. Now, a quick rundown of the main sectors. So energy has been the worst performing sector in the ASX this year. Labor plans to continue its rollout on renewable energy infrastructure, while the coalition favours nuclear and gas in Australia's energy transition. So now the big one, housing. Both have committed to supporting first-time home buyers, which may lift stocks tied to the property market. And on the consumer side, tax cuts are on the table regardless of who wins. And overall, that is good for the consumer and good for consumer stocks too. But at the end of the day, the biggest thing is the challenge of maintaining economic stability among everything that's happened in the global economy, and especially when it comes to the trade tariffs. And that's a wrap. My name's Long, portfolio manager and your investing buddy. Let me know in the comments, what is your take on the election and how it will affect the market and your portfolio?